Hey, what's up guys, this is Angela from Chuwi. Today I'm going to show you guys our newest laptop, the Corebook X. It comes with 2K resolution IPS display, 16GB RAM and 215GB SSD ROM, a full-featured Type-C port, Intel-Core i5 processor, and two-stage backlit keyboard. Let's start with the case. The weight of this laptop is only about 3.3 pounds and is only about 20mm thick, so it's perfect to carry around town or when going on vacation or business trips. Its full-made construction is very nice to touch, and it shows off Chuwi's beautiful logo. On the bottom of the case, there are 4 silicone bases to help protect your laptop from scratch, and also give space to keep the laptop cool with a fan here. Now let's check out the inside. It has a solid hinge with smooth motion, so you won't have to worry about it closing when you don't want it to. Let's check out the ports. On the left side, we have a fast charge DC port, which lets you power up your laptop from 0 to 100 in only about 2 hours. And we have a fully functioning Type-C interface, which is important because you can use it for charging, transmitting video, and connecting an HDMI cable with an extra adapter. On the right side, we have USB 3.5mm audio jack and a TF card slot here. Corebook X comes with a fully laminated 40-inch 2116 by 1414 IPS display that features unique 3:2 aspect ratio. You can see it has squarish look that gives more screen space to spreadsheet and documents. The Corebook X also comes with easy tapping keyboard and a quick and responsive touchpad. The two-stage keyboard is backlit, so you can always see what are you doing, whether it's day or night. If you want to listen to music or watch a movie, the Corebook X features 4 speakers on the back, surround sound setup, so let's try it out.
Don't worry just because I need to leave. Don't mean I'm sick of us.
Clear sound, no interference. Pretty good, alright? Now let's talk about memory and process power. Among Chuwi's lineup high-power laptop, Corebook X leads the pack. It's powered by an Intel-Core i5 processor with a top frequency that can rev up to 3.5 GHz. No matter it's daily offense tasks or intense gaming, it's all under control. What's more, an Iron's 1615 GPU pushes the graphic processor even farther. Here, I will show you guys its gaming and editing performance. As you can see, it runs very smooth and without any lag when playing games or editing video. Upgrading the storage is very easy. This compartment can be opened to upgrade the ROM and add another SATA M2 2218 SSD card to add up to an extra 1 TB of storage. That's pretty cool. It also comes standard with 256GB of ROM, which should be more than enough for your basic computing needs. Corebook X equipped with Inter Wireless SN7265 wireless module that supports both 2.4G and 5G dual bands and has a top uploading speed reach up to 867 Mbps for a seamless wireless network experience. Even when not in the office, file transfers and collaborative work output is no problem. And no worry about lose battery power because this laptop comes with a 14.6.2 Wh high-capacity lithium-ion battery for computing power that lasts up to 8 hours. That's all-day productivity. So if you're looking for a nice laptop with features and powerful performance, this is definitely one to check out. The space is amazing, the screen looks incredible, and the sound is awesome. And the design is something I really into. It's a very beautiful computer. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!